Okay guys, so this is how the journey started. Let's go. Hello guys, we are in Berlin now.
YouTube, if you get money. YouTube, if you get money, it's 5%. Just 5%. I'm not a good person. I don't like money, so I'll just take this for this.
Okay guys, after the Second World War, there's something they call in Berlin the Cold War. The city of Berlin was divided into two, the west side and the east side. The wall actually was built overnight, so those who visited their friends and families at the other side could not come back again. For example, where I'm standing now taking this video is the West Berlin, and if anyone entered East Berlin, that person could not come back to the West. The wall separated husband and wife, children from their parents, families from their families, and that was it. The Soviet Union was controlling the east side and didn't want anyone to enter the west side because they said Hitler bombed one of the cities in Russia, and I think it's Moscow. The West Berlin was controlled by Britain, US, and France. Actually, the West Berlin was better than the East Berlin during that time. The wall was constructed in 1961 and it was destroyed in 1989. And this is the remaining of the wall, as you can see from here. Okay guys, so we departed from the group and we decided to come and buy food. I'm here with Juliet. Juliet is from Nigeria. So what are you eating? Tell my fans.
I'm eating doner.
Doner kebab.
Kebab.
Yeah. Okay. And I also got myself chips and Coke. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the Ministry of Finance in Berlin for the whole Germany, but it's located in Berlin here. Okay guys, this is the place where Hitler shot himself and he was burnt here. Because the Germans didn't want people to see Hitler as a great leader, they decided to use this place as a car park. Actually, Hitler was someone who didn't like the Jews, so he decided to eradicate all the European Jews at that time. No one knew the reason why he hated the Jews, but it was later realized that his grandmother was a house help in a certain Jewish family, and that could be a reason why he hated the Jews so much, but no one can tell. He did not only murder the Jews but also the homosexuals and then the Romans. So this is the memorial for the homosexuals, as you can see from here.
This is memories for Sinti and Romas, that is gypsy group. Yeah, the common term used for them is like gypsies, and they were also not very tolerated by the Hitler government, so they were also executed during the time of Holocaust. And yeah, this one is for their memory. That's it.